Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to add an admin to your WhatsApp channel. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button on this video. So let's get started. First of all, open your WhatsApp application. Then go to Updates, and here you can see my WhatsApp channel. So now, let me show you how to add an admin to your WhatsApp channel. Open your WhatsApp channel, click on the three dots, and then tap on Channel Info. Now scroll down, and here you will find the Invite Admins option. Just click on it. Now select the profile of the person you want to add as an admin. Click on the tick icon, then tap on the Send icon. Now let me show you how the invited person will accept the invite. Open the invite message, then click on View Invite. After that, click on Agree and Continue. Then click on Accept Invite. That's it. Now you can see this profile has been added as an admin. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the like button on this video. Thanks for watching.